नमस्कार। माय नेम इज़ दुर्वेश ठाकुर। आज मेरा टॉपिक है रिगार्डिंग हाउ टू मेक अ प्रोजेक्ट प्लानिंग एंड शेड्यूलिंग टेबल इन माइक्रोसॉफ्ट एक्सेल शीट by utilizing the Gantt chart formula. I have already made the project planner table and I will elaborate to you how it is made in Excel sheet. But before started the execution assignment, I would tell you something key important parameters in project planning and scheduling. Task and time. These are the two important parameters into the project planning and scheduling. Task means activities which assign the work in priority basis and their approach during the work structure. Secondly, the time. काम कभी चालू करना है और फिजिबिलिटी के हिसाब से कैसे ख़त्म करना है means starting date and due date between the activities inside the project, which is called as a time frame. Now I have started a new project planner table in Excel sheet, and so I typing first project name, consider as ABC, and then location, consider as XYZ. Then carrying on with serial number, activity, start date, then end date, and finally the status. Then I typing serial numbers such as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then adjusting the column for make them clear and visible. Now typing activity column as a activity 01, activity 1, then activity 2, activity 3, activity 4, activity 5, and then activity 6. Here I have taken random dates during the July 2020 month for starting date and ending date for each activity. So activity 1 starting date consider as 1 July 2020 and ending date 4 July 2020. Activity 2 starting date 4 July 2020 and ending date 10 July 2020. Then activity 3 starting date 11 July 2020 and ending date 15 July 2020. Activity 4 starting date 16 July 2020 and ending date 22 July 2020. Activity 5 starting date 22 July 2020 and ending date 26 July 2020. Activity 6 starting date 25 July 2020 and ending date 31st July 2020. Then I have considered two types of status during the activities such as completed and pending. तो इसके लिए फर्स्ट टू जो एक्टिविटी है उसमें मैंने कंप्लीटेड स्टेटस कंसिडर किया हूँ और 3 to 6 में मैंने पेंडिंग करके स्टेटस कंसिडर किया है. Now I am changing the date in the month format. So I have select the date area and then right click on it. Then select the format cells, then number options and then custom categories and then finally the type bar. जो टाइप बार में जो भी है वो सब निकाल के वहाँ पे D-M करके ओके क्लिक करने का है. तो ये देखो हियर वी कैन सी द डेट चेंजेस अपीयर्ड एज पर रिक्वायरमेंट. नाउ 1 जुलाई डेट को कॉपी करेंगे और उसको स्टेटस के आगे पेस्ट करेंगे, फिर ड्रैग करेंगे टिल 31 जुलाई because we have considered the time frame scheduling in July month only. Now press the Ctrl 1 and we'll open the format cell. Then go to the alignment option and make the changes in orientation from 0 degree to 90 degree. Then select all time frame area and adjusting all the column in equal sizes. See. Now select the table area with justified and middle center line alignment format and added with all border line in it. Then select all border line to time frame area, and then both areas are filled with different colors to make them differences with each other. Okay. Now I will start how to make the Gantt chart formula. Gantt chart is a type of bar which illustrates the project schedule as a color bar format, and this is depending upon the formula which maintain the relationship between the every dates in the time frame with all activities inside the project. Now सबसे पहले फर्स्ट सेल को हम फार्मूला अप्लाई करेंगे. इट इज इक्वल टू if then bracket and then bracket current date 1 July, that is F6, it should be greater than equal to start date, that C7, then comma current date F6, it smaller than equal to end date D7, then bracket close, then comma status, that E7, comma double inverted commas, then bracket close. This is a formula done. Now we have to add some fixing criteria in this formula. फिक्सिंग क्राइटेरिया में जो रो और कॉलम फिक्स्ड है उसके पहले डॉलर साइन ऐड करना पड़ेगा फार्मूला में. इस फार्मूला में टाइम फ्रेम रो, देन स्टार्टिंग डेट, एंडिंग डेट एंड स्टेटस कॉलम आर फिक्स्ड. सो उसके पहले डॉलर साइन ऐड करना पड़ेगा. जैसे कि F6 में 6 जो रो है वो हमेशा ही कांस्टेंट रहेगी, तो इसके लिए सी के आगे डॉलर साइन ऐड करना पड़ेगा. देन C7 में स्टार्टिंग डेट जो है हमेशा ही फिक्स्ड या कांस्टेंट रहेगी, तो C7 में सी के पहले डॉलर साइन ऐड करना पड़ेगा. सिमिलरली F6, तो 6 के पहले डॉलर साइन ऐड करना पड़ेगा. देन D7 म्हणजे एंडिंग डेट कॉलम, तो वो भी हमेशा ही कांस्टेंट रहेगी, तो डी के पहले डॉलर साइन ऐड करना पड़ेगा. फिर स्टेटस कॉलम यानी E7, तो ई के भी पहले डॉलर साइन ऐड करना पड़ेगा. नाउ दिस इज कंप्लीटेड. Copy the first cell and paste it to the entire area. We can see the status bar on given chart. Now I can change the status bar into color bar. So home, then conditioning formatting, then new rule, then format only cells and content, then equal to, and then typing the completed status, then format, then fill, then select the green color and then OK. Now we can see the green bar instead of completed the status bar on chart. Now I am applying the same method for making the red color bar instead of pending status bar. See this. Now remove the text on given bar. So press Ctrl+1, open the format cells, then number options, then custom, then remove the general and typing the 3 semicolon and OK. Now you can see this. Then finally make the outside border around the bar chart. Yes. How to apply status option with data validation formula. तो सबसे पहले select the status area, then data, then data validation, then list, then typing the two options in status such as one is completed, comma pending, OK. Now we can see the two options appeared on the status table और उसमें हम लोग जब भी चेंजेस करने वाले ऑप्शन उस हिसाब से बार भी बार जो चार्ट है वो भी चेंजेस दिख रहा है. देखो हाउ टू अप्लाई हाईलाइट बॉर्डर ऑन करंट डेट. सो टाइपिंग एनी सेल विथ हाईलाइट वर्ड, and then next to highlight apply data validation formula. So first data, then data validation, then list, then import selecting area from first date to 31st date on sheet, then OK. Now I added all dates inside the cell. Now changes the date format. So press Ctrl 1, open the format cells, then custom, then remove the general and added D-MMM. OK. So all dates changed in day month format. Now I will start to apply border line on chart. So firstly I will select the area, then home, then conditioning formatting, then new rules, then choose use a formula to determine which cells to format rules, then added the new formula so that I will choose equal to any date. I will consider 1 July, then again equal to the validate cell, and before this formula I would like to remove the dollar sign before the F column so that this formula will apply to all the time frame area. Then select format, then border, then I will choose the dotted line, then I will select the both the side of the line area, then finally OK, then again OK. So this is, we can see this, the highlight border on the chart area accordingly to the highlight date is provided with the sheet. It's 21 July, according to 21 July the chart board पे दिखा रहा है. Again I will changes the highlight date. This is a 7 July. I will select accordingly the highlight border is दिख रहा है. Now I will select the highlight cell and added the color as well as the border line in it. Then I will select the project name and locations area, then added the border line, then their modifications in their font and sizes, boldness will added inside it. Also simultaneously I will added the font size and boldness inside the table area as well as time frame area. Now last of the list we have to added the title name of the project sheet. This is the previous sheet. Okay, so we have to select the area and then select the merge and center option and added the title name such as project planning and scheduling. Then selecting the text and added the font and boldness. Okay, now we have to remove the guidelines. So we go to view and unselect the guidelines. So here we can say our assignment of project planning and scheduling has been completed. ये वीडियो आपको अच्छा लगे तो ये वीडियो को लाइक करो, शेयर करो और मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करो। थैंक यू वेरी मच।